Divide 922 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down these 2 and it is 42. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down these 2 and it is 22. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 922 divided by 5 is 184 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.